Okay, I wanted to show you the distributive property again, because I told you before that it can be flexible in the way we do it. So they could end up being like really long processes, or if we use our estimation, we can shorten the process considerably. So we're going to do this problem, and as I always say before we start, we're going to go ahead and estimate. So I'm going to go ahead and round 83 to 80 over here, and I'm going to make the first two digits here compatible with 8. So I'm looking at 35, and the closest one I can think of that's compatible with 8 is 32. So I'm going to make this 3,200. And then I can do an easy division problem here. So I can do 32 divided by 8 is 4. And I can do 2 zeros minus 1 0 is 1 0. So I know that when I'm finished, I'm going to have an answer that's close to 40. But what I can also do is I can also use that estimation as my first partial quotient. Since I already estimated, I know that I will be able to fit this in here about 40 times. So I'm going to go ahead and use 40 here. And I already know what the outcome is. Oh, no, I don't. Actually, I got to multiply this out. So I'm going to do 40 times 83. And you can do that over at on the side here. So 83 times 40 is 4 times 3, which is 12. Carry the 1. 4 times 8, which is 32, plus 1 is 33. And then I have a 0. So this right here, I'm going to go ahead and subtract it from the original number. So let's see here. We got 6, 4, we got 9, and so we end up with 196 left. So what this process is showing me is that I've divided this much of this number already, and now I have to divide this much of the number that's left. So I'm looking at what's left, and I'm asking myself, how many times can 83 go into 196? Well, that's pretty close. This is close to 200. That's close to 100. So I'm going to say this can fit twice in there. So I'm just going to put 2 here, and then multiply 2 times 83. And I got 83 times 2. I have 6 and 16. So I have 166. And I subtract. And it looks like I'm going to have 30 left, and 83 can no longer fit into 30, so I'm actually done with my partial quotients. My partial quotients are 40 and 2, so I just add them together. So I'm going to get 42 with a remainder of 30. There you go.